2015 Jayco Seneca 36FK Class C motorhome for sale in High River, Alberta Canada T1V1M4 Get ready for your next adventure with this 2015 Jayco Seneca 36FK. This luxury Class C motorhome is 30 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 8 guests. Powered by a Cummins diesel engine mated with an automatic transmission that offers an impressive 340 horsepower. Hit the road with minimal effort because this Class C motorhome comes with the convenience of a captain's chair, backup camera, cruise control, power mirrors and plenty of storage space both inside and out. You can finally experience first-class residential living while making your traveling dreams come true because this 2015 Jayco Seneca 36FK is fully loaded with top-grade amenities. A great pride of ownership in this unit, pulls and drives like a dream. With only 28,800 kilometers, approximately 17,896 miles, you can be sure to hit the road with minimal effort. This Class C motorhome is ready to be your next home away from home. Some of the amenities include, Corian countertops, 3-burner stove / oven microwave refrigerator / FreezerDouble kitchen SinkDinetteFireplaceThree televisions inside, 1 television OutsideShaw SatelliteSofa SleeperShowerToiletSinkOne full queen bunk king size master BedStorage dresser / ClosetStill under Freightliner warranty and so much more. This 2015 Jayco Seneca 36FK is exceptionally clean both inside and out. This Class C motorhome is the ideal environment for creating lasting memories with loved ones and friends, so don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This Jayco is priced very competitively. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your travels with this unparalleled 2015 Jayco Seneca 36FK.